Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much. So let's begin the service with a reading and an affirmative prayer. Today I'm reading from Dr. Holmes' How to Change Your Life. In it he wrote, "The good in which you believe can triumph over every evil you have ever experienced. You have a silent partner with the infinite. This partnership has never been dissolved. It never can be. You are to have implicit confidence in your ability, knowing that it is the nature of thought to externalize itself in your health, your affairs, knowing that you are the thinker. You are going to turn resolutely from every sense of lack, want, and limitation. And you're going to declare for yourself that the perfect law of God is operating in you, through you, and for you." So now, join with me in this affirmative prayer and know this truth for yourself. There is only one life, one mind, one law. And that law and principle is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. It flows through me and for me. So here today, I let go of every idea of less than, of woundedness. I know I have a partnership with the divine intelligence of God, and it is at work in my life. I'm grateful for this right knowing. I'm grateful for the support and encouragement and inspiration I feel and receive from life. And I know my life is on a wonderful trajectory of seeing God's goodness flowing from me and through me and rising me up to the very highest. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing. And I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.